So in today's video, we have two unboxings. We have the Eyescream Beauty Box. This is a $25 a month beauty subscription. And then we have the little sister to it. This is the little sister. This is the Beauty Bag. This is a monthly subscription as well, which is $12.50 a month. So if you want to see what I got, hear my thoughts and opinions, and is it worth the money? Then keep on watching. Okay, really quickly, so I have no makeup on. I do have lipstick. I did do a little bit to my eyebrows, and I have a little mascara on. I have a doctor's appointment, so if you don't follow me on my second channel, or if you don't know I have a second channel, it's called Just Anne's World. And over there, I get a little bit more personal. We do like car vlogs. I do story times. I can do some get readies with me. And when I go to the doctors, I do like my car vlogging. I talk because you know I'm a talker. And then I let you hear what the doctor says and all that. So I also talk about my health, my diabetes, my blood pressure, my heart disease, just different things that's going on. So if you follow me over there, you know I've been having some issues with my health. So today is Wednesday, the 30th, March 30th when I'm filming, and I have a doctor's appointment today. So I'll be car vlogging that, and again, like I said, telling you, you'll be hearing what the doctor says and stuff. But I also want to talk to him about my skin, because as I'm aging, I mean, I know I need to go to my dermatologist, but I don't know, maybe he can give me something. I don't know, but I notice I'm getting a lot of dark spots and like rashes. So anyway, hence why I don't have any foundation, anything on, so that he can see my skin. Anyway, let's get into the unboxing. All right, I always start with the bag first. This is $12.50, and this is probably my favorite out of either subscription, the box or the bag. And it's because it's $12.50. You get between 3 and 4... Try that again. You get between 3 and 4 full-size items, and it's actually cheaper than Ipsy. The Ipsy Glam Bag is $13 an hour. I was going to say an hour. What? Should I start all over? I don't know. Anyway, so that's why I like this. I definitely think it's worth the $12.50. All right, I just put the box down because I'm on this table that's so small. All right, so let's open this up. These are both from March, and that's another reason why I wanted to unbox it today, because it's the last day of the month, I think. I don't think there's 31 days in a month, is there, for March? I have no idea. Anyway, I wanted to get it out to you today. Okay. So there's the card. It says March for 2022. So you get 3 items this month. It's all full size. All right, so the first thing is from Crown Brushes, and this looks like a shadow stick in the shade Wicked. But on here, it says Crown Pro Glam Liner for $7. So you can use it either or. So let me take the plastic off. I don't usually go for like shadow sticks, but I seen the color. And it's green, I guess, for the month of March for St. Patrick's Day. Because I use these for my waterline as well. So let's do a little swatch. That's beautiful. Oh my God. Look at that. That is gorgeous. The next time I do my makeup, I'm definitely going to use this. That's really pretty. $7. We'll have to see how the wear is, like, like the lasting power and stuff. Okay. So then it looks like the last 2 things are palettes. So this is the Go-To Beauty Exposed 2 palette. This is for $12. And you always get a palette in this box. So that's what I'm saying. For $12.50, it's definitely worth it. That's what it looks like on the back. It's just plain. Oh, this is the blush palette. Okay. So it has this. Has a little mirror. And look at that. That is gorgeous. All right, that's the first 4. So it looks like blush and 1 might be a highlighter. Wow, that's the first 4. And that's only going in 1 time. There's the top one. Okay, so this is the darkest blush and then the highlighter. Put this up a little bit. It's so cold in Jersey today. My goodness. Okay, so there we go. There's the highlighter and there's the blush. That is gorgeous. That is so gorgeous. I wish for my preference there was like a pinky tone, but that's a personal preference because that's what I'm into. But this is really nice too. Like you can go and light hand it. You can even mix match. Like I could probably make my perfect pink with this and with this. Love it. And if this isn't for your skin tone, you can always use it as eyeshadow. You know, it's really, really pretty. I really like that. And how, for $12, that's not bad. Again, it's the lasting power, because I know for blush, for me, let me know down below if it's the same with you. I have to cake it on because after a couple hours, it like fades. Let me know if there's a blush, like what brand that the blush like lasts for hours. Let me know down below. Okay, last but not least, this is the Be a Bombshell Queen palette, and it's $38. I think I got this before, but I'm not sure what subscription. Not in the Eyescream Beauty Box. I don't remember which one, but it looks familiar. Okay, so I probably won't swatch it because I'm trying to get rid of a lot of my, like declutter my makeup, and I'm pretty sure I have it. It looks very familiar. That's what it looks like. It's very pretty packaging. Yes, I definitely have this. So it doesn't have a mirror, and those are the colors. I don't want to take that little plastic piece off, so looks like that. So pretty. And I got this recently. I just can't remember what box. I get so many daggone subscriptions. That should tell me something. Like, I need to slow down on my subscriptions if I can't remember what box I got this in. All right, so let's recap everything that I got for the Eyescream Beauty Bag for the month of March. So we have a eyeshadow palette, which is gorgeous. We have the blush palette, which is gorgeous as well. And we have the like shadow stick, or you can use it as an eyeliner, and that would go perfect with that eyeshadow palette. So, I mean, for $12.50, I mean, you cannot beat this. I love this subscription. All right, let me put everything away, and we'll get to the beauty box. All right, so this is the Eyescream Beauty Box. This is $25 a month. And I always forget to tell you, I do have a code for both of these subscriptions. It's just Ann in all caps. I don't make anything out of it. It's just for you guys. Always check if there's a subscription that I unbox. Always check my code just Ann in all caps just to see if I have a code, because sometimes I do forget to tell you, you know? All right. So when you open her up, that's what she looks like. And it says March, a little green and a lot of gold. Yes. And you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 full-size items. And then I love these things. I tell you every month, these are biodegradable. So it's very good for the planet. And you can put these in water and they disintegrate or whatever. I don't. I just throw them out. But let me put these in my trash bag. I did come prepared today again, because a lot of times I always forget. Because I film in my room, you know, and I have like a little trash can that's small. But I always forget to bring a bag. All right, so I'm going to pull out the first thing that I see. And this is from Evio Beauty. This is a Perfect Primer. And this is $30. Holy crap. So this right here pays for the whole box. And, oh my God, look how small that print is. Like, I cannot even read that. But I'm sure it's for, like, if you have bigger pores and stuff, which I do. So let's see if it's like, feels like silicone-y. So you have a safety seal, which we love. All right, I just want to see if it's silicone or not. Or like more like a moisturizer. Let's see. Yeah, this is more like a moisturizer. So we'll definitely try it out. I love trying out primers because, I don't know, I always have. I guess when I was younger, like, was there even primer? If there was, I didn't know about it. So it's like, I find them intriguing. Like, do they actually work or not? You know what I mean? Okay, so that's the first thing, $30. The next thing I see is from Hikari. I don't know if this is a blush or bronzer, but Hikari is expensive. Like, I remember getting a blush palette. Why? Oh my God, I cannot talk today. A blush palette. They only had 4 colors, and it was like $53. All right, and this is $23. This says Hikari Blushing Bronzer. And that's usually a bronzer that you can be a blush, you know, like both. But let's just see. Yeah, that's exactly what it is. I can see from here. And this is in the shade Tahiti. I would love to go to Tahiti. All right, so that's what she looks like on the back. Okay, here's a better picture. This reminds me of the old school Wet n Wild when I about 5 or 6 years ago, Wet n Wild came out with like a bronzer that kind of like had this design. It was so pretty, and I would not get rid of it just for the design. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, I would not use this as a bronzer. It's a little orangey for me, but I would definitely use this like for those no makeup days that I don't really want to put a whole bunch of makeup on, and just probably put it on my cheek both as a blush and a bronzer. I don't know. I have to, let me do like a one where like more pinkies over here. Let's just say, so you can get more of like a pinky color. Can you say like, that's the pink and that's the brown? So I don't know. I'll have to play around with it and try it out. But like I said, the next time I'll do my makeup, I'll do it on camera and I'll try a lot of these things out. All right, the next thing looks like another shadow stick or liner or something, and it's in green. Oh, this is Crown Pro Eye Crown. That's $10. So this is from Crown Brushes again. And like I said, I don't like eyeshadow like sticks, but I do use these for my waterline. This is really pretty. I like this one better than the other one, I think. Oh yeah. Look at that. I mean, this might be pretty for an eyeshadow though, like right on your lid. That is pretty. I wish I didn't have my doctor's appointment, because see, this is the stuff that gets me excited, like the colors. You remember when we always used to get black? Everything was black. Now we're getting like greens and purples. Like I noticed that with the Eyescream Beauty Box, which I love, you know? All right, so we have that. So we have 2 more things. The next thing is from Earth Harbor. Now I love Earth Harbor. This is the Marina Balm Brightening Ampule. I love this. I say this every time I get to Earth Harbor. I got this brand, like I heard of this brand when there used to be Bella Skin Box. But I noticed this is starting to come in a lot of subscriptions. Like I have a lot of this now. You know, it's like slow down with the Earth Harbor now. And this is $40. Now, I do like the formula. Like, I'm not complaining. I will use it since I have it, because I haven't found anything from Earth Harbor that I don't like, that, like, breaks me out, that burns my skin or anything. And I do have this because I can see the color. But I'll definitely use it. I mean, I always tell you, if you get a lot of these things, make sure you always put it on your neck, your hands, because what do I always say? How you can tell a woman's age is by their neck and their hands, right? Put it on your elbows, your feet, whatever. But use these up. Don't let them just sit in your drawer, you know? All right, and last but not least is a palette. You always get some type of palette in this box too, which I love. And what you bid? This is LA Splash Golden Gatsby palette for $34. I don't ever think we have an LA Splash palette in a box before that I can remember. I hope there's like greens in it, you know? Let's see. Let's see. Ooh, that's pretty packaging. It's really pretty. It says, darling, it wouldn't be a party without you. I've been told that. All right, so there we go. And on the back. Oh, this is pretty. Okay, so you have a mirror. And let's take this off. I love that. Oh, and look at the colors. I am so glad that there's those greens and stuff in it, because it'll go good with this when I put this on my waterline, or the green that I got in the bag, you know? Let's do a couple swatches. Yes. This is the palette that I'm definitely going to play around with when I do my makeup. Now, okay. Let me just swatch it before I say anything. That's pretty. They look really, really pretty. So those are the first colors. So these are mattes and these are shimmer shades. Okay, here's 4 more. This is a shimmer shade. These are mattes. Wow, that's only going in one time. That's a black. Here's what I feel so far about this palette. The mattes swatch amazing and have pigments, but the shimmers are like toppers for me. But again, I have not put them on my eyes and I haven't wet them, you know, so like right here and right here. And that's only going in one time, but they feel like a little gritty, if that makes sense. So, but you never know. I've had palettes that swatch amazing, and then I go to put them on my eye and they don't blend, or they're a little patchy. I've already had palettes that swatch terrible. and like look so patchy. But when I put them on my eyes, they blend, they're buildable. So I only swatch these just to show you the color, you know, the theme of the color, if that makes sense. Color theme? You guys know what I mean. But this is really, really, really pretty. It's gonna look so pretty. I mean, listen, look at that. On your waterline with those colors, yes, I am definitely using this my next Get Ready With Me. All right, so let's recap everything that we got in the box. So we have this eyeshadow palette. Yeah, I really like that. We have a primer. It looks familiar, but I can't remember ever using this. So I'll try this when I do my makeup. We have this, I'm going to use it as on my waterline as an eyeliner, but it's like a shadow stick, like an eyeshadow. We have this blush bronzer. I don't know how I feel about it, but I'm going to try it out just to see formula-wise. And what else? Because that's only 4 things, right? Or is that 5? Oh, and the ampule, which I'm glad to get. Like I said, if you get so many, please don't let them just sit there, because that's what I used to do until somebody told me, well, put it on your neck and your hands. I'm like, I never thought of that. Or your feet, your elbows, like use these up, you know? All right, so that's everything. Please give this video a like or dislike it. Also, leave a comment. That helps me out too. Let me know what you think of the Eyescream Beauty Bag or the box. Do you get this? Do you not? Do you think this is becoming better than Boxycharm? Here's my thing. People ask me. I think Boxycharm is better, like with the better brands. But if you are looking for an all makeup box, I would definitely check these out. Even though, yes, we got this, but it's mostly all makeup. So, and it's all indie brands, which I love too. So, you know what I mean? It's up to you, but I definitely recommend these boxes, especially that beauty bag. You know, if you're on a budget, definitely. But anyway, I'm gonna get off of here. This video is already long. I'm very nervous. When I get nervous about the doctors, I talk. All right, guys. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay healthy, and most importantly, always stay you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Jesus. Oh my God, I'm always dropping stuff. I gotta learn to stop talking so much. I can't help it. I'm just nervous, though. I'm so nervous. I don't know why I'm nervous, but I do. I get nervous, like, when I get pulled over by a cop or if I see a cop behind me. That's how I feel about the doctor, because I'm always scared they're going to say, I need you to go to the hospital and get tests. I don't know. Relax, Ann. Relax. All right, I'm out of here.